Running a small business is tough. You're juggling a million things at once. The last thing you need is complicated tech holding you back. That's where Microsoft 365 Business Premium comes in. It's like having an all-star IT team in your corner without the hefty price tag. We'll break down everything you need to know about this powerful tool. Microsoft Business Premium is a subscription service. It gives small and mid-sized businesses everything they need to succeed in the digital age. We're talking productivity apps, top-notch security, and simplified device management. It's all wrapped up in one neat package. This means you can focus on what really matters growing your business. Think of it as your one-stop shop for all things business tech. Apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but you also get business-grade email, cloud storage, and a whole lot more. Microsoft 365 Business Premium has got you covered. It's like having a suite of tools designed to help your team work smarter, not harder. We've got the classics Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These apps are used by millions worldwide for good reason. They're powerful, versatile, and easy to use, but it doesn't stop there. You also get Outlook for professional email, OneDrive for cloud storage, and SharePoint for team collaboration. And let's not forget Microsoft Teams. This communication and collaboration platform has become essential in today's hybrid work environment. Teams lets you chat, meet, call, and collaborate all in one place. In today's digital world, security is non-negotiable. Microsoft 365 Business Premium gets that. It comes with a whole suite of security features to keep your business data safe and sound. Think of it like having a digital fortress protecting your valuable information. You get advanced threat protection to guard against malware and phishing attacks. Data loss prevention keeps sensitive information from leaving your organization. And with multi-factor authentication, you can add an extra layer of security to your accounts. That means even if someone gets their hands on your password, they still can't access your data. Managing devices can be a real headache, especially if you have a lot of them. Microsoft 365 Business Premium makes it easy. You get a central dashboard to manage all your devices. This includes laptops, smartphones, and tablets. You can install apps, update settings, and even wipe data remotely. This not only saves you time and effort, but it also helps keep your data secure. You can ensure that only authorized devices have access to your company information. Getting started with Microsoft 365 Business Premium is surprisingly simple. This powerful suite is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses work smarter, stay secure, and collaborate seamlessly, without the need for a dedicated IT department. Whether you're a business owner, manager, or team lead, you'll find the setup process straightforward and approachable. Don't let the name fool you. Microsoft 365 Business Premium isn't just for big corporations. In fact, it's tailored specifically for small businesses, giving you enterprise-grade tools and security at a scale and price that makes sense for your organization. It's all about empowering your team to do their best work, wherever they are. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, you'll need to create your Microsoft 365 tenant. This is essentially your business's digital headquarters within the Microsoft Cloud. It's where all your company's data, users, and settings will live. And it's the foundation for everything you'll do with Microsoft. Think of your tenant as your business's online home for Microsoft 365. It's a secure, centralized space where you can manage everything from user accounts to security policies. Setting it up is as easy as following the prompts in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Once your tenant is ready, it's time to add your users. This is where you'll invite your team members to join your Microsoft 365 environment. You can add users one at a time or upload a list if you have a larger team. Each user will get their own secure login and access to the tools they need. Send out invitations so everyone can get started. As soon as they accept, they'll have access to email, file sharing, and all the collaboration tools included in your subscription. This is a great moment to introduce your team to the new platform and highlight the benefits they'll enjoy. You'll assign licenses to each user. This step is crucial because it determines what features and apps each person can use. With just a few clicks, you can ensure everyone has access to the full suite of Microsoft 365 Business Premium features. Each license unlocks a world of productivity and security for your users. Now, let's talk about protecting your business. Configuring security settings is essential. Start by enabling multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Then, set up threat protection to guard against phishing, malware, and other cyber threats. Don't forget to define your data loss prevention policies. These help you control how sensitive information is shared and stored, reducing the risk of accidental leaks or data breaches. You can customize these policies to fit your business's unique needs and compliance requirements. Finally, it's time to enroll your devices. This step ensures that every laptop, tablet, and smartphone your team uses is protected and compliant with your company's security standards. Device enrollment makes it easy to manage updates, enforce security settings, and remotely data if a device is lost or stolen. By enrolling your devices, you gain the ability to manage them remotely, enforce security policies, and ensure your company's data stays protected, no matter where your team is working. With Microsoft 365 Business Premium, you're setting your business up for success, security, and seamless collaboration from day one. Microsoft 365 Business Premium is a subscription service. You pay a monthly fee per user. The exact price can vary depending on your location and any ongoing promotions. Microsoft offers flexible licensing options. You can choose to pay monthly or annually, and you can easily add or remove users as your business needs change. Remember, it's more than just a bunch of apps. It's a comprehensive solution that can save you money in the long run. Think about all the costs associated with separate security solutions, device management tools, and productivity software. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your productivity to the next level, these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your subscription. Microsoft 365 is packed with powerful features designed to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and keep your business secure. Here are some best practices to get you started and ensure you're making the most of every tool available. First, embrace the cloud by storing your files in OneDrive and SharePoint. This not only keeps your documents safe and backed up, but also allows you to access them from any device at any time. With cloud storage, collaborating with colleagues becomes seamless. You can co-author documents in real time, leave comments, and track changes whether you're in the office or working remotely. No more emailing files back and forth or worrying about version control. Second, make Microsoft Teams your digital headquarters. Teams isn't just for chat, it's a central hub for meetings, project management, and file sharing. Use Microsoft Teams for all your communication and collaboration needs. Organize channels for different projects, schedule video calls, share files instantly, and integrate apps like Planner or OneNote to keep everyone on the same page. Third, prioritize security. Enable multi-factor authentication for all users to add an extra layer of protection to your accounts. This simple step can prevent unauthorized access and keep your business data safe. Always keep your software up to date. Regular updates not only provide new features but also patch security vulnerabilities, helping you stay protected against the latest threats. Be vigilant about phishing emails. Educate your team to recognize suspicious messages, avoid clicking unknown links, and report anything unusual to your IT department. Invest in ensure everyone is comfortable using Microsoft features and understands best practices for security and productivity. Make sure your employees know how to use the tools effectively and securely. Encourage them to explore new features and share tips with each other. Microsoft offers a wealth of training resources online, including tutorials, webinars, and support forums. Take advantage of these to keep your team up to date and confident in using Microsoft 365 Business Premium to its fullest potential. Let's bring these concepts to life with some real-world examples that showcase how businesses are transforming the way they work. Across industries and company sizes, organizations are leveraging modern tools to boost productivity, enhance collaboration, and keep their data secure. By looking at these stories, you'll see how technology can make a tangible difference in everyday business operations. Scenario 1. The design firm. Imagine a small but ambitious design agency, where creativity and teamwork are at the heart of every project. The team is constantly juggling multiple clients, tight deadlines, and the need to share large design files quickly and securely. This firm uses Microsoft Teams to seamlessly collaborate on projects, not just within their own office but also with clients and partners located all over the world. Video calls, instant messaging, and shared workspaces help them brainstorm ideas, review drafts, and get real-time feedback, no matter where everyone is located. When it comes to sharing large design files, like high-resolution images, videos, and presentations, they rely on OneDrive. This allows them to upload, store, and share files securely, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest version, without worrying about email limits or lost attachments. Security is a top priority for this firm, since their creative work is their intellectual property. With Microsoft's built-in security features, they can control who accesses sensitive files, set permissions, and protect their work from unauthorized sharing or cyber threats. This peace of mind lets them focus on what they do best, creating innovative designs for their clients. Now let's look at scenario 2. Picture a growing retail business with several locations across the city. The management team needs to keep everyone connected, informed, and working efficiently, whether they're on the sales floor or in the back office. By adopting Microsoft 365 Business Premium, the store streamlines communication and daily operations. Managers and staff can easily coordinate schedules, share updates, and resolve issues quickly using Teams, whether they're in the same building or miles apart. Employees across different store locations stay connected through Teams chat and video calls, making it simple to ask questions, share best practices, and support each other in real time. This helps create a sense of unity and teamwork, even in a fast-paced retail environment. The company also uses SharePoint to build a central knowledge base, where staff can access training materials, company policies, and important announcements. This ensures everyone is on the same page, reduces onboarding time for new hires, and helps maintain high standards across all locations. These are just a couple of examples of how Microsoft 365 Business Premium empowers businesses of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're a creative agency, a retail chain, or any other organization, the right tools can help you work smarter, stay secure, and achieve your goals in today's digital world. In a nutshell, Microsoft 365 Business Premium is more than just a set of productivity apps. It's a comprehensive solution that can help you boost productivity, enhance security, and simplify device management. It's about leveling the playing field, giving small and medium businesses access to the same powerful tools that were once reserved for large corporations. So why wait? Take your business to the next level with Microsoft 365 Business Premium.